Hey y'all, welcome to Dora's Garden once again, and if this is your first time, welcome. So you guys, in today's video I wanted to show you my new and improved updated method that I like to use to combine my locks. Now, just to give you a heads up, my hair is a little dirty. It's been almost a month since the last time I washed my hair. But anywho, so when I originally combined my MicroLocs, I used the regular 2-strand twist method. However, I found that I kept experiencing unraveling. So in this video, I'm going to show you an easy 1, 2, 3 step using no tools or anything, just your bare hands to combine your locks. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. So after sectioning your hair, you want to find the 2 locks that you would like to combine. You want to put your finger through one lock and loop the other lock through it. And there you have it. It's easy. I said 1, 2, 3. The third step would be to 2-strand twist your locks together, but that is optional. If not, you can just leave them as 2 and you will have a 2-headed dragon. Some people like it, some people prefer just 1. It's all in your preference. This completes today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one.